Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "One of the Banu Israel slew 99 people and then went to a monk to ask about its precept and asked him, 'Can my repentance be approved?' He replied in the negative. He assassinated that monk too. He continued asking till a man advised him to go to such and such village. The death overtook him on the way, but he turned his chest towards that village. Now the angels of mercy and the angels of torment came and started quarreling regarding him. So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu commanded the village he was going towards to come closer to him and the village whence he was coming to go away. Then bade the angels to measure the distance between his death spot and the both villages. He was found a span closer to that village, so he was pardoned. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3470.